haven't made a video in how long? Like, it's been a long freaking time since I made a video. And like, I just, you know what? I think I had to take a break because too much been going on. Like, I just can't. With school and work, I just can't. Like, and then like the whole October been a mess. So yeah. But I'm back for real. I said that last time, but I'm back for real. Like, I'm back home. I invested in myself. I mean, I'm back. This 22-inch frontal wig. I just got it done like 2 days ago. And I tell you, I like it, but then I don't. No, I like it. It's just my edges like, and then it's too much lace right here. Like, it's good right here, but once you get over here, it just, like, no. I didn't go to the person I actually went to, so like, I'm just be quiet. But other than that, I like it. I like the install. But I'm just, what am I talking about? But I'm gonna go ahead and get to the hair. It's alright. Like, I like the hair. It was soft, everything. No shedding. I don't get shedding. Like, do you see? Yeah, shedding. Like, I can't have no hair that's shedding. Like, that's crazy. Like, no, that's If a company ever send me hair that's shedding, I'm gonna just shut them straight up. I'm not lying to y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all for real. I'm gonna tell you, like, cause I hate, like, how you gonna send me hair that sheds? And you want me to lie? Like, they be knowing that hair be trash. I feel like companies be knowing that hair trash. They just money hungry. Anyways, okay, so I like the hair. It's just like, okay, so it is straight hair, so I only straightened it. Like I said, I had it for 2 days, and I just don't like how thin it is. And look at this. Don't look at my face. Oh my god. It's like the ends. Look at the ends. Y'all get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah. It's cool, whatever. See, like, I hate this. Like, in most companies that sent me here, it'd be like this. So, like, I'm not really surprised. But other than that, this hair is good. I recommend, sis, shop like a curly wig or body wave from them. It's probably like, you know, better. But like, everybody's straight here is like, I don't know, like, I know what I'm talking about. I just sound so country. I know what I'm talking about. Like, it's like, I don't know. But yeah, look at this. You got a middle part. I always get the middle part. And yeah, I'm really just talking so I can run up my minutes. Okay, I need more than 10 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm just talking. But yeah, they gave me this shirt and it's big. Like, hold on, let me show y'all. See? Okay, no, for real. Yeah, y'all go shop. I know I always get the straight hair. I always get straight. So I might be talking low. I'm so sorry. Cause I'm in the bathroom and you know like it be echoing. I hate that like. But I'm using this Carmex because I lost my lip gloss at work. Fell in my pocket. I'm stuck with fucking Carmex. I got my cocoa butter one, but y'all don't care. I don't know. So yeah, y'all shop this hair for real. Allove hair. Thank you for sending me this wig. I appreciate it so much. Y'all don't look at my eyebrows. Don't look at my face. I know my face is kind of dry. My eyebrows thin. But y'all want to know something? Y'all want to know something? My birthday is less than 15 days. Oh, my birthday less than 15 days. I was going to say 10. Less than 15 days. Y'all. My birthday is less than 15 days. November 8th, save the date. I'm just gonna tell you that. Y'all, and I got a surprise for everybody on my timeline. I got a surprise for everybody at school, everybody on my YouTube, for my friends, my family. My hairstyle gonna go stupid. Y'all gonna be like, this not Mari. Y'all go shop my collection. About that, yeah, I'm gonna do a shoot on some items on my shop. And it's gonna be bomb. Like, I wanna do it. I was gonna do it on my birthday. Ow. My birthday weekend. Because my birthday's on a Friday. And I was gonna do it the next, like that Saturday, but I don't want to. I want to do it like the weekend after or like the end of November. I don't know why I don't want to do my birthday weekend. I just put that business stuff to the side, you know, and just enjoy my birthday. But I can't wait to do this photo shoot. Oh, that's what I get for being hype. I can't wait to do this photo shoot. Like, y'all, yeah. Okay, let me stop being hype. But yes, guys, make sure y'all go shop Allove hair, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. It's Mari3_, and yeah, shop my collection. Cause I don't be on Snap anymore. I'm not gonna say add me on Snap because I don't get on there. But yeah, follow my social media. Like, comment, subscribe. I need to calm down because no, I'm too hyped right now. I don't even know why. I've been hyped since I turned on the camera because I was not like this 12 minutes and 43 seconds ago. So I'm gonna just not. Okay. Calm down. I don't like, oh my god, I hate this. Y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family, friends, and uncles, and grandmas, and everybody.